Imagine a lake, not of fresh water, nor even the familiar salty ocean, but a liquid so dense, so utterly alien, it functions as an underwater barrier. Now, picture this lake not on land, but nestled thousands of meters beneath the surface of the Gulf of Mexico, a freezing, hypersaline body of water where life should simply cease to exist. This is the Perdido Brine Pool, a place so extreme, so baffling, it challenges our fundamental understanding of deep ocean environments. It feels impossible, a mirage in the crushing dark, yet undeniably real. Scientists explored abyssal plains, but nothing prepared them for Perdido. How can a lake of such concentrated salt exist at these depths, separate from the surrounding ocean, and paradoxically colder? This isn't a warm oasis, but a frigid, toxic trap. Its very existence forces us to confront a profound mystery, beginning with the unique geology of its birthplace. The story of the Perdido Brine Pool begins with methodical exploration in one of the world's most geologically active deep-sea basins, the Gulf of Mexico. This vast underwater landscape is a canvas of incredible geological processes. Beneath the seafloor lie immense deposits of ancient salt, remnants of a bygone shallow sea that evaporated millions of years ago. These salt layers, buried under sediment, are surprisingly mobile. Under immense pressure, this salt can flow, creating domes and ridges, a phenomenon known as salt tectonics. It was during routine geological surveys, involving advanced remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, and seismic imaging, that anomalies began to appear. Data revealed distinct, unusually flat-bottomed depressions on the abyssal plain, associated with these underlying salt structures. Then, in the early 2000s, closer inspection with an ROV confirmed the unimaginable, not merely a depression, but a visible, shimmering surface, like a lake within the ocean. The Perdido Brine Pool, named after its proximity to the Perdido Fold Belt, was revealed. This wasn't just another seep, it was a distinct body of water, a boundary layer so sharp it created an optical effect where the two liquids met. The initial images were astounding, showing a stark, otherworldly landscape. How could this dense, visible body of water form and persist? The answer lies in its constituents. What makes the Perdido Brine Pool truly impossible isn't just its existence, but its astonishing chemical and thermal profile. While many deep-sea brine pools are hypersaline and often warmer due to geothermal heating, Perdido defies this expectation. Scientists discovered it is not only incredibly salty, up to 5 times salter than normal seawater, but also significantly colder, hovering around 4 degrees Celsius, while the surrounding deep-sea water typically maintains 6 degrees Celsius. This temperature inversion is a critical puzzle piece, challenging conventional theories. The brine itself forms when seawater seeps down into underlying salt deposits through fissures. As it penetrates these ancient layers, the seawater dissolves massive quantities of salt, primarily halite, becoming incredibly dense. This supersaturated, heavy brine then percolates back up, emerging onto the seafloor. Because it is so much denser than normal ocean water, it doesn't mix. Instead, it pools in depressions, forming these distinct underwater lakes. But why is it cold? Unlike hydrothermal vents that release superheated water, Perdido's cold temperature suggests a different mechanism. One theory posits that salt dissolution is endothermic, absorbing heat. Another suggests the brine simply reflects the ambient deep ocean temperature, having cooled after interaction with subsurface salt. Its extreme density means that even if initially warmer, it would hold on to heat differently, preventing rapid mixing. This chilling paradox makes the Perdido Brine Pool an unparalleled laboratory for understanding chemical and thermal gradients. The conditions within the Perdido Brine Pool are lethal for most marine life. Imagine diving into a freezing, toxic stew. That's the reality for anything that mistakenly enters this underwater lake. Hypersalinity causes immediate osmotic shock, drawing all water out of cells, effectively dehydrating and preserving organisms instantly. This is why researchers have found perfectly preserved fish and other creatures that have fallen into its depths, eerily intact, looking as if frozen in time. Yet, despite this insurmountable barrier, life has found a way, demonstrating the incredible adaptability of Earth's biological systems. Around the edges and within thinner parts of the brine pool, scientists have discovered thriving communities of extremophiles. These aren't creatures swimming in the brine, but specialized organisms utilizing the chemical energy released by the brines and associated methane seeps. Microbial mats, vibrant with chemosynthetic bacteria, flourish where the brine meets regular seawater. These microbes form the base of an independent food web, much like those found at hydrothermal vents. Giant tube worms, mussels, and specialized shrimp, all adapted to these unique chemical environments, graze on these microbial carpets. The mystery deepens when we consider how these organisms manage to survive the dual threat of extreme salinity and unusually cold temperatures. Some theories suggest unique biochemical pathways, others point to specific symbiotic relationships with bacteria that can detoxify or utilize unusual chemical compounds. It's a testament to life's tenacity, a vibrant ecosystem clinging to the fringes of a deadly, cold, hypersaline environment, proving that even where conditions feel impossible, life can stubbornly persist. The Perdido Brine Pool continues to feel impossible because it presents a triple threat: extreme depth, extreme salinity, and unusually cold temperatures. It's a deep-sea environment combining crushing pressure with a chemical composition that rivals the Dead Sea, all while maintaining a temperature below the ambient deep ocean. This combination truly sets it apart from other known extreme environments. The preserved creatures found within its boundaries act as chilling reminders of its lethality, yet the vibrant chemosynthetic communities around its edges offer a beacon of hope and a profound testament to biological resilience. Scientists care deeply about Perdido for several critical reasons. Firstly, it offers a natural laboratory to study the limits of life on Earth. Understanding how organisms adapt to such combined stresses could provide insights into the potential for life in similarly extreme environments beyond our planet, perhaps on icy moons with subsurface oceans. Secondly, these unique ecosystems, driven by chemosynthesis, play a crucial role in the deep ocean carbon cycle, influencing global biogeochemical processes we are only beginning to comprehend. Finally, every new discovery in places like Perdido adds to our fundamental understanding of Earth's geological and biological history, revealing the intricate dance between geological forces and the evolution of life. What other hidden, impossible lakes lie undiscovered in the vast, unexplored reaches of our oceans? How do these unique chemical factories impact the broader marine environment? And what further secrets do the perfectly preserved specimens within the Perdido Brine Pool hold about deep-sea life and its ultimate limits? The mysteries of the deep are vast, and places like Perdido remind us that the impossible is often just the unexplored. Keep exploring with us, by liking this video, sharing your thoughts in the comments, and subscribing to Deep Ocean Mysteries for more journeys into the extreme and unknown.